Namaste, my dears. Came the time for another interesting question. So, Vadim, I started to take Amanita Muscaria. I'm on my second week, and throughout these 2 weeks, I was feeling myself really sleepy, tired, and I had some stomach ache. When on the opposite, all people who are writing about Amanita telling that it gives you a big boost of energy and that you start to feel very energetic. Why is it like this? Am I doing something wrong? Why do I have such an effect? So, the answer is that all of us are on a different level of condition, level of energy. All of us are going through our own phases of transformation. All of us have our own level of pain, suppressed material, and etc. So, if a person is in good health and he feels himself or herself really good, then when the amanita is being taken, they get an uplift of energy. But if the person is feeling very down and there are a lot of sicknesses inside and there are a lot of things which are suppressed inside, then of course the effect won't be such an uplift and it will take time to recover and to come to that stand. So, putting it simply, imagine that when you're feeling yourself neutral, that means you don't have any downfalls or uplifts of energy. But when we're in minus energy, or we have sicknesses, we have depression, we're taking antidepressants, or we're consuming alcohol or any other type of drugs or substances which bring our energy down. Or, for example, we didn't have a vacation for a long time, or we're overworking, or not dedicating enough time to relax, or on the other hand, we might be working and not investing any energy to our physical body. So eventually, the person is in minus. So when a person starts to microdose at this period in time, then of course we will need some time to rise up this energy. And that process can take from 2 weeks to 1 month, which means that during this time, Amanita will help and assist you to recover from your minus point to your neutral point, to 0 point. During this period in time, you can experience that when you take Amanita, you will want to sleep more. So if this happens, this means that your body simply needs your support in not doing stuff while the work is being done on the inside. When we want to sleep, our body is telling us, it's like, well, I'm ready to work. I'm ready to clean. I'm ready to do something important inside of my body. And that's why I ask you, oh my God, please relax. Give me just the space and the opportunity to use the energy of our body with a focus on the solution of this problem. So that's why if you're feeling sleepy, uh, when you start to microdose, allow yourself to relax more. Simply allow yourself to sleep more. As during the sleep usually happens a big change and big process of healing. Our body knows how to heal itself, and Amanita multiplies it many times. So when you're having stomach pain, now when you're using Amanita on your first 2 weeks or 4 weeks, usually it's in the first 2 weeks. Amanita has also an effect of killing parasites. So if you feel that in the stomach there's like something moving or something is aching, well, then just know that right now some parts of your personal zoo is right now being, let's say, transferred out of your body. So eventually, this means that the parasites and everything what doesn't belong there and that is killing you is right now being pushed out. I had an experience with one of my good friends where he's a famous musician and they started to microdose with his friend. And the first 2 weeks, they had a lot of stomach pain. And it came out to be that after 2 weeks, when they went to the toilet, whew, let's just say he gave me a call and told me, Vadim, I have no words how to express it except pure emotion of fear and rage. There came out such a big thing out of my butt. It came out and it was moving, and I was, I never thought that anything of such sort can exist in my body. So, and he said that his friend had the same thing, that a huge parasite worm, longer than 15 centimeters long, came out from the toilet. when he was going. And this was a reflection of that during this time he had stomach ache. So eventually Amanita was killing the parasites, who was pushing it out. And eventually, once it died, after that, we start to feel an uplift of energy. So during those 2 weeks, they had a downshift. They were feeling tired, they had stomach pain, they had this and that. But after the parasites came out, so the body now went from minus into neutral, yeah, rise the energy or clean the body. Now we feel normal. Then the effect of Amanita started to increase the energy. And after that, he and his friends started to feel a big uplift. They started to write more music. They started to participate in a lot more concerts. And eventually, within the next couple of weeks, they went into the top charts of Europe in house music. Simply because, well, once the energy rises, your consciousness works perfectly, and you start to create, to work, to do that thing what is important for you on the next level of expression and quality. So, in other words, simplifying the answer. When you just start to microdose and you haven't done any cleansing before, or you had a lot of work and you didn't care or you didn't pay attention on how you feel inside, what do I feel inside? Am I tired? Do I want to relax? What do I want? And if we ignore those things which our body tells us through the focus, for example, on our goal, on our aims, or on the rules that I need to go to work, I need to fulfill that, I need to fulfill this, we forget about the most important person in our lives, ourselves. So please think of yourself, listen to your body as your body. It's a reflection of the communication of your soul. Your soul is literally speaking with you through your body. So the more you learn to listen to yourself and explain yourself what I feel inside, the more clearer you'll understand what is happening right now with my body. Remember, it's a living being. And if you use it a lot, then you have to give it also an opportunity to recover. This recovery can happen on multiple levels. Amanita is just one of the tools which starts the process. And if you want to support this process and allow yourself quicker to move from this minus to neutral and then to plus, then simply during the microdose, try to exclude anything that lowers down your energy. That can be drugs, that can be alcohol, that can be other type of substances, which make you more calmer. And eventually, once you start to feel yourself better and better, and you don't lower down your energy by any substances or any junk food or anything that disturbs the recovery of your body, then you can know for sure that your transformation will happen really fast and you're going to see beautiful results in a small amount of time. So I inspire you, listen to yourself, listen to your body, give yourself time to recover. Give yourself opportunity to go from this minus to neutral and then from neutral to plus. And once you're there, well, then it will be very easy to create and you will see and feel yourself just the way how many people share that they get an uplift of energy, that they get inspired and they start to act in an absolutely new and beautiful way. So sincerely, I want to thank you for this question, and I hope that this information will help everybody who are just starting their journey. Remember, your body is a living being. It's always talking with you because your soul is speaking with you through your body. If you have minus energy, give your time to recover. Listen, do that what you feel. You want to sleep, sleep more. Want to go to the toilet more, go to the toilet. Want to be happy? Well, allow yourself to do that. And if you will have any more questions, do let me know. And in the rest, I wish you love and happiness. Namaste, my darlings.